Question number 5. The line segment joining the points A 3, 2 and B 5, 1 is divided at the point P in the ratio 1:2 and it lies on the line 3x minus 18y plus k is equal to 0. Find the value of k. A is equal to 3, 2 and B is equal to 5, 1. A point P and ratio is equal to 1:2. P point x, y and A is equal to 3, 2, B is equal to 5 and 1. M1, M2. By section formula. That is Px, y is equal to M1, it's x1, y1 and x2 x2 y2. Pxy is equal to M1 x2 plus M2 x1 divided by M1 plus M2, comma M1 y2 plus M2 y1 upon M1 plus M2. That is equal to Pxy is equal to M1 is 1 multiplied by x2 is 5 plus M2 is 2 multiplied by x1 is 3 divided by 1 plus 2 M1 plus M2. M1 y2 plus M2 y1. M1 is 1 into y2 is 1 plus M2 is 2 into y1 is 2 divided by 1 plus 2. That is equal to 5 ones are 5 plus 3 twos are 6 divided by 2 plus 1 3 and 1 ones are 1 plus 2 twos are 4 divided by 3. So Px, y is equal to 11 upon 3 and 5 upon 3, which implies x is equal to 11 upon 3 and y is equal to 5 upon 3. And it lies on the line. Line 3x minus 18y plus k is equal to 0, which implies 3 into x is 11 upon 3 minus 18 into y is 5 upon 3 plus k is equal to 0. This is cancel and 6 3s are 18, which implies 11 minus 6 5s are 30 plus k is equal to 0, which implies 30 minus 11 is 19, but minus 19 plus k is equal to 0, which implies k is equal to positive 19. Answer. A is equal to 3, 2 and B is equal to 5, 1. A is equal to x1, y1 and B is equal to x2, y2. P is equal to px, y and given ratio is 1:2. So by section formula, px, y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. m1 is 1 multiplied by 5 plus m2 is 2 multiplied by 3 divided by 1 plus 2, 1 into 1 multiplied by 2 into 2 divided by 1 plus 2. 5 ones are 5 plus 3 2s are 6. 5 plus 6 is equal to 11 upon 3 and 1 ones are 1 plus 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 is 5 upon 3. So we get the value of x is equal to 11 upon 3 and y is equal to 5 upon 3. And given line, it lies on the line 3x minus 18y plus k is equal to 0. We are putting x and y in this line, that is 3 into 11 upon 3 minus 18 into 5 upon 3 plus k equal to 0. 3 is cancelled and we get 11 ones are 11 and 3 6 are 18, 6 5s are 30, minus 30 plus 11 that is equal to minus 19 plus k is equal to 0, which implies we get the value of k is equal to positive 19. Answer. Question number 6. Find the coordinate of the point which is 3/4 of the way from A 3, 1 to B minus 2, 5. A is equal to 3, 1 and B is equal to minus 2, 5. A, B. A is 3, 1 and B is minus 2, 5. Point P. AP is equal to 3/4 of AB. Given coordinate of point which is 3/4 of the way from A to B. AP is equal to 3/4 of AB and 4 upon 3 is equal to 4 multiplied by left side and divided by 3 is equal to AB upon AP. We find the ratio AP ratio PB and 4 upon 3 adding minus on both sides AB upon AP minus 1 minus 1. 4 minus 3 upon 3 is equal to AB upon AP. AB minus AP upon AP. AB minus AP that is equal to PB. AB minus AP that is equal to PB. 4 minus 1 is 3. 1 upon 3 is equal to PB upon AP. And we find the ratio AP ratio PB. So AP ratio PB is equal to reciprocal of 1 upon 3 is 3 upon 1, that is 3/1. So we get the ratio 3/1. It's M1, it's M2. and bisection formula, we get px comma y is equal to m1x2 plus m2x1 upon m1 plus m2 and m1y2 plus m2y1 upon m1 plus m2, that is equal to m1 is 3 multiplied by minus 2 plus 1 multiplied by 3 divided by 3 plus 1, comma 3 multiplied by 5 plus 1 multiplied by 1 divided by 3 plus 1, which implies 3 2s are minus 6 plus 3 1s are 3 divided by 4, comma 5 3s are 15 plus 1 divided by 4. Px comma y is equal to minus 3 upon 4 comma 16 upon 4, that is 4 4s are 16, and we get the value of px comma y is equal to minus 3 upon 4 comma 4. Answer: given a is equal to 3 comma 1 and b is equal to minus 2 comma 5, ap is equal to 3/4 of ab. 4 upon 3 is equal to 4 multiplied by left side and divided by 3 is equal to ab upon ap, and we are adding minus on both sides. 4 upon 3 minus 1 is equal to ab upon ap minus 1. 3 1s are 3, 4 minus 3 is equal to 1 upon 3, and AB minus AP, that is equal to PB, and we find the ratio AP ratio PB, so reciprocal of AP upon PB is equal to 3:1, and we get the ratio that is equal to 3:1, and we are using bisection formula. Pxy is equal to m1x2 plus m2x1 upon m1 plus m2. m1, it's x1 y1 and it's x2 y2. So m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2 and m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2, that is 3 into minus 2 plus 1 into 3 upon 3 plus 1, 3 into 5 plus 1 into 1 divided by 3 plus 1, 3 2s are minus 6 plus 3, that is equal to minus 3 upon 4, and 3 5s are 15 plus 1 16 divided by 4, 4 4s are 16. So we get the point P is equal to minus 3 upon 4 comma 4. Answer. Thank you.